Paella, the pride of Spain, and a dish that captures the soul of the Mediterranean. Golden saffron rice, rich with flavour, layered with chicken, seafood and vegetables. It's colourful, it's aromatic, and it's a meal designed for sharing. Today I'll show you exactly how to make this Spanish classic at home, step by step. Here's what you'll need to serve 4 people. 300 grams of short grain rice. Bomba is the traditional choice, but Arborio works too. 600 milliliters of warm chicken stock. 200 grams of boneless chicken thigh, cut into small pieces. 200 grams of prawns, peeled and deveined. 150 grams of mussels or clams, scrubbed clean. 1 red pepper, sliced into thin strips. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 ripe tomatoes, grated or finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 100 grams of peas. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. A pinch of saffron threads, soaked in 2 tablespoons of warm water. Olive oil, salt and black pepper. And finally, lemon wedges for serving. Lay everything out before you start. Paella moves in stages, and it's easier if your ingredients are ready to go. Place a wide, shallow pan over medium heat. A paella pan is perfect, but any wide frying pan will work. Add a generous drizzle of olive oil. When it's hot, add the chicken pieces. Fry them until golden brown on all sides, about 5 minutes. This stage is important. The chicken not only flavours the oil, it builds the base for everything that comes after. Once browned, remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside. Now it's time for the sofrito, the heart of paella. In the same pan, add the onion, garlic and red pepper. Cook slowly until softened and fragrant. Then stir in the grated tomatoes. Let this cook down into a rich, thick paste. This might take about 5 minutes. Don't rush it. The sofrito is what gives paella its depth. Spanish cooks say the longer you cook it, the better the flavour. Sprinkle in the smoked paprika and stir it through. Then add the saffron, along with the warm water it's been soaking in. This tiny amount of saffron transforms the whole dish, turning the rice golden and adding that signature aroma. Now stir in the rice. Toast it gently in the sofrito so that every grain is coated in flavour. This only takes a minute or 2, but it makes a big difference. Pour in the warm chicken stock. Stir once to combine, then stop. That's the secret of paella. You don't stir again. Stirring releases starch, but paella should have distinct, separate grains of rice. Return the chicken pieces to the pan. Adjust the heat so the liquid simmers gently, and cook uncovered for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, scatter in the prawns, mussels and peas. Nestle them into the rice so they cook evenly. From here, let the paella cook gently for another 10 to 15 minutes. The rice will absorb the stock, the mussels will open, and the prawns will turn pink. You'll notice a thin crust forming at the bottom of the pan. This is called the socarrat, the crispy layer of rice prized in Spanish cooking. It's not burnt, it's delicious. When the rice is tender and most of the liquid is gone, turn off the heat. Cover the pan loosely with a clean kitchen towel and let the paella rest for 5 minutes. This final steam ensures the rice is perfectly cooked and allows the flavours to settle. Now comes the best part, serving. Bring the entire pan to the table. Paella is meant to be shared. Sprinkle with fresh parsley if you like, and place lemon wedges around the pan. When you're ready to eat, squeeze lemon juice over your portion. The freshness lifts all the flavours. Take your first bite. The soft saffron rice, the smoky paprika, the tender chicken and the sweet seafood. This is Spain on a plate. And that's how you make an authentic Spanish paella at home. A dish rooted in tradition, yet simple enough to master in your own kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.